Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Buhari told to replace Malami with Keyamo, Amaechi with Saraki as ministers. Buhari told to replace Malami with Keyamo, Amaechi with Saraki as ministers. To my dear listeners from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned as I read today's news. President Muhammadu Buhari has been urged to replace the Attorney General of the Federation (AGF) and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami with Festus Keyamo and Rotimi Amaechi with Gbemisola Saraki as the Minister of Transportation. Some Nigerians made the call following Buhari's directive to his ministers with political ambition to resign. Buhari, at the Federal Executive Council (FEC) meeting on Wednesday, told cabinet members who have declared their political ambition to resign before Monday, 16th of May. This directive affects the following cabinet members: Malami, the Minister of Transportation; Rotimi Amaechi, Minister of Science and Technology; Odunaya Ono, Minister of State for Education; Emeka Uwajuba, Minister of Labour and Employment; Chris Ngige, Minister of State for Petroleum; Timbre Silva. Following the directive, Amaechi, Uwajuba, Godswill Akpabio, Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, and Odunaya Ono, Minister of Science and Technology, have resigned their appointment. However, some Nigerians noted that Keyamo was better positioned to replace Malami as the country's chief law officer. Comment Daily Post gathered from Twitter reads below. At the Olusegun says Festus Keyamo should be deployed to Ministry of Justice when Malami resigns. At OV News says Gbemisola Saraki will become the new Minister of Transportation and Festus Keyamo the Minister of Labour and Employment. At Orit Jaja says Keyamo would be a natural replacement for Malami, being somebody that is knowledgeable about the law, looking at his past antecedents. At Lambano says, I pick Keyamo to replace Malami that has really tried to destroy Nigeria's judiciary system. Keyamo would be a better replacement. At Ejiro Ogene says, I think I would subscribe to Keyamo replacing Malami. That man has done more harm than good to the judicial system in this country. President Muhammadu Buhari has urged to replace the Attorney General of the Federation (AGF) and the Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami with Festus Keyamo and Rotimi Amaechi with Gbemisola Saraki as the Minister of Transportation. Some Nigerians made the call following Buhari's directive to his ministers with political ambition to resign. Buhari at the Federal Executive Council (FEC) meeting on Wednesday told cabinet members who have declared their political ambition to resign before Monday, 16th of May. This directive affects the following cabinet members: Malami, the Minister of Transportation; Amaechi, Minister of Science and Technology; Honu, Minister of State for Education; Emeka Uba, Minister of Labour and Employment; Chris Ngige, Minister of State for Petroleum; Temipray Silva. Following the directive, Amaechi Uba got Will Akpabio, Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, and Ogbonnaya Onu, Minister of Science and